comrades of the APC and my fellow citizens of Sierra Leone, I bring this message to you in response to the dialogue between the APC and the BO government, and the response by the leader of the APC party, Dr. Samoa Kamara. This moment in our history is a moment to fight for democracy. The 2023 elections and the outcome don't undermine the fidelity of elections in Sierra Leone, and it will lead to voter apathy for 2028 and beyond. Because if people then they follow the rules and regulations, for go register, for go pick their ID, for go to line for vote, and vote patiently, then a group of people decide for void all of that effort. It is really painful. It is painful to Sierra Leoneans, it is painful to democracy, and it is painful to the All People's Congress. But I applaud the leadership of the APC, because at a time like this, if cooler heads don't prevail, it would have led to chaos, death, destruction, and further destabilization. So I say congratulations to the APC leadership and to Dr. Samoa Kamara for his patience, his peace, and wisdom. Democracy is about to die in Sierra Leone. Let me repeat it, democracy is about to die in Sierra Leone. Because all the institutions of democracy are being undermined. The institution of the rule of law, the right to vote, the legislative body, the judicial body, the executive body, and the internal security forces, all are under attack. So fellow Sierra Leoneans, whether you do SLPP or APC, the only institution we stand with democracy right now, even in its weakest moment, now the APC party. And if we want democracy to prevail, we have to support the APC party from this time forward to ensure that we not repeat the assassination of democracy as happened in 2023. It's going to be a long road to build democracy, but I believe that the APC are the only party right now we will stand for uphold democracy and to find the true soul of what makes us Sierra Leoneans. I say this because I get the privilege for participate in the APC USA Summit on democracy, Fairfax, Virginia, on October 21st, 22nd, and 23rd of 2023. And I see the beauty of cohesion. I see the beauty of hope with a plan. And I see the beauty of waiting the APC would bring to Sierra Leone to support democracy. I want to take this opportunity to thank the chairman of the APC USA party, Attorney Sofian Kaloko, for his vision, his wisdom, and how he able to bring the different chapters of the APC during a very difficult time. And I see joy, peace, happiness, civility. There is no time for mamikos politics anymore. There is no time for violence. And what we want now level-headed people to move the party forward. For the APC, I know there are two groups of people, two schools of thoughts on the 2023 elections. There is a group that wants a rerun of the election. There is a group, the same group wants the election for turnover. The same group wants the APC to develop and move forward, but they need immediate gratification. Then there is the second group. We don't accept that the elections were rigged. There's nothing the APC could do right now about governing, but to join to build Sierra Leone and build towards 2028. I subscribe to the second group to say, let's move forward and let's recognize the elections were rigged, but let we build capacity to 2028 and beyond and put structures in place to support democracy where Chairman Kaloko don't begin at the United States of America. And I hope that other regions in UK, in Australia, Europe, and Sierra Leone, then go look at waiting the blueprint where Chairman Kaloko don't start at the United States. For now, we begin think about what democracy should look like in the future. For now, we begin think about what our future leadership should look like. For now, we begin think about what the role of the judiciary should be in the future. For now, we begin think about the role of the legislative body. For now, we begin think about the role of youths and women in politics in Sierra Leone. And for now, we begin think about the role of our internal security. What role should they play for peace and harmony to prevail? So as we start to think through all of these things, you know, they say, he who fights and run away lives to fight another day. There is no need for us to fight when we know we're going to win in the future. Yes, it's painful. To admit it, yes, it hurts. You know, it's like you play soccer, you don't play the game, you dey do well, then the referee say penalty against you. Then in kicking a penalty, you dey try for equalizer, say back penalty against you. Don't blame the players who played the game, blame the referee. I know people are talking about the APC leadership, but let us reflect. This APC leadership now hold the party till we get to 2023. You see, losing and a rigged election brings out the negative in us on our leadership. If the APC may win, which they declare, and Dr. Samura was declared the leader, and APC get majority in our parliament, would the grassroots complain about the leadership? No, because winning solves all the problems. So waiting 2023 do for we, where we should think about and reflect. You know, sometimes when things happen to you in life, it's for a reason. It's for a reason. This election happens to benefit the country in the future and to also benefit the APC significantly. First of all, let me talk how it benefits the APC. The APC since 2017 has been floundering. It's been sectional, fractured in many ways, but because it's a great institution, it may be able to come together. But 2023 now don't expose everything on the table for say, let we rebuild the new APC. This is time to reflect, to go back and bring all the different factions back into the party and build a new leadership for the future and a younger leadership. We're going to hold the party for the next 15 years. We have to start thinking of bringing people in their 40s into leadership, in their 50s into leadership, because then it provides longevity. When you get a 40-year-old and a 50-year-old leader at the helm of the party in executive, it gives you longevity for 20 years. And for those who don't serve, they have served wonderful and gloriously, and they've given all to this party. We have to celebrate them. And as they transition out of the party, you have to celebrate and thank them for the job they don't do. Because now we have to rebuild the APC and rebuild it again around future leaders and around the principles of democracy. And so it's going to benefit the APC building moving forward. For Sierra Leone, we see the evils and the bad side of our political system. We see the negative outcomes based on how this election was conducted. And we don't want to go there anymore. And so we have to build institutions to support democracy. Because when you don't support democracy, it undermines your economy. It undermines everything that makes us Sierra Leoneans. So we have to ensure that we support the one day we were ready for build democracy. And it is clear that the only party we're ready now for look back and say, let we build our country around the principles of democracy, and let us search and find the soul of Sierra Leone, that the APC party. And so we therefore come together, grassroots, and know you are frustrated because of the outcome. Because a lot of people mislead the grassroots to believe that there is going to be a rerun, to believe that Dr. Samura is going to come install her, to believe that everything that go contrary to the dialogue, now ain't go happen. And yes, there were mistakes made. Lots of mistakes made, but let us learn from our mistakes. Hindsight is 2020. Let we build moving forward. And let we all, the first group women think to say, they will reinstate Dr. Samura, and there will be a rerun immediately, and that things will turn over, who are disappointed because of the outcome of the dialogue. And we, the group we believe, say, let we build for the future. Let we all come together as one unit. And let we make peace and hold hands together and say there is victory for us in the APC. And in the struggles of the APC, there is victory for us. For us, oh yes. For us, oh yes. And in that struggle, which is what we're going through from 2023 to 2028, that victory get to manifest itself. That we would look back in 2023 and say, Papa God get a reason why he make 2023 happen. And Sierra Leone in 2028 and forward with new leadership, with new democratic principles, and with new vision to build Sierra Leone would come out stronger and better. God bless you. God bless the comrades of the APC and the grassroots of the APC. We say, we go up for make sure the APC stands stronger and better. And God bless our beautiful Mama Salome. Thank you.